fam, and welcome back to our channel. Well, today I will be making pizza with my 3 children. Kim is not here, she's at work, and I take the day off, so I'm home today. Today is Thursday, so I will be making the pizza dough. So I have like 2 pounds of flour here, and I'm going to add a piece of lard shortening. I'm using 1 packet of instant yeast. I'm going to add some sugar. Some salt. So I did already wash my hands. So I'm gonna mix the shortening or the lard into the flour like this. So guys, this is how I knead my flour. I make a hole in the center and I put the water in, and then I start pull flour in between. So I gradually bring in the flour in the middle. And guys, I'm not gonna add any more flour to this. It's going to get stiff and it's gonna have lumps of dry flour mixed in between. So this is what I do. I pull all the dry flour to one side, and then I put this one to one end, and then I do the same. Make a hole in the middle. And then I add more water. And repeat. So yes. So hey guys, I am finished kneading the flour. This is the dough. So I'm just gonna cover it and leave it here to double in size. And my children are outside preparing the other ingredients for the pizza. Parents, don't be afraid to get your children involved in cooking. It is very important. So let me introduce you to my children. So hey guys, this is my oldest daughter Renique.
Hey guys, this is my
and my second child Raheem, and that's Rushad. So Rushad is doing sachets because he likes sachets, and Frank's sachets, whatever it is. Renique is doing the cheese, and Raheem is over here cutting up the pepper. So we'll get back to you when putting the ingredient on top of the pizza dough. Hey guys, this is the pizza dough. So it's already double in size. Well, look like triple to me. So I'm just gonna knead it again and roll it out, and we'll get back to you. Hey guys, we are about to garnish the dough, the pizza dough. So I'm just going to put these in the oven now. So hey guys, we are finished. We couldn't wait to start eating the pizza because we are really hungry and we're gonna go on the beach. So this is the end of the video. Bye. Right, how you like it?
Good.
It is good. So bye.